Hi, this is a video session on Brinell hardness testing. Hardness is basically the resistance offered by the material against surface penetration or scratches. This property is normally measured in material testing laboratory by evaluating the resistance of the material to local plastic deformation, which is obtained from the indentation of a predetermined geometry indenter onto a flat surface of workpiece or part under a predetermined load. Hardness is one of the very important parameters in the study of wear of any component. More the material hardness, more is the resistance to wear. Several standard methods are available for hardness testing. Brinell hardness testing is one of the very commonly used methods.
The objective of this Brinell hardness test experiment is to determine the Brinell hardness number of different materials.
Let us have a look at a typical Brinell hardness testing machine. It has a holder for the ball indenter, a ball indenter which will penetrate into the workpiece when the load is applied, an anvil or work table where the specimen is mounted during testing, an elevating screw for the vertical movement of the anvil, a hand wheel for operating the anvil, a load hanger at the back side of the machine, different loading weights, a lever for loading, a timer display and on-off switch. Further, a traveling microscope is used for the measurement of indentation. It requires a power supply. It has an eyepiece using which indentation can be viewed and crossways can be adjusted. It also has a micrometer for recording the reading. Now quickly have a close look at all these parts of the setup. This is the Brinell hardness testing machine. And this is the traveling microscope. Brinell hardness test can be performed on metals such as mild steel, cast iron and so on. Let us identify the different commonly used specimen materials. This is a mild steel specimen. This is how a cast iron specimen looks like. This is an aluminium specimen. This is a copper specimen. And this is the brass specimen. One can hear a bell sound when a mild steel specimen is dropped on the flat surface. It will be a dull sound for the cast iron specimen. Aluminium is whitish in color. Brass is yellowish or dull gold color. And copper is reddish brown in color. This Brinell hardness testing machine has a capacity of 3000 kg. A 10 mm ball indenter is inserted into the holder. Here is the on-off switch. Grey button is on, red button is off. Manufacturer of the machine has provided standard load values, duration of application of load and the diameter of the ball indenter to be used for different specimens. You can see the details on the screen now. Let us take aluminum specimen for this demo of the experiment, for which we have to use a load of 500 kg and for a duration of 30 seconds. Weight of the hanger itself is equivalent to 250 kg. Additional equivalent weight of 250 kg is added onto the hanger, making a total weight of 500 kg. By turning the knob near the timer display, you can control the movement of the display object from set to no set. Counterclockwise turning will make it faster and clockwise turning will make it slower. Now by using a stopwatch, adjust the movement from set to no set time to 5 seconds. This is an initial setting for the timer. Switch on the machine. Initially, make sure the set position of the timer display. Position the specimen on the anvil. Turn the hand wheel such that the work table moves vertically up until the specimen makes contact with the ball indenter. Now, you can start loading the specimen by pressing the load lever down and starting the stopwatch at the same instant. After 30 seconds, unload the specimen by turning the load lever up. Now, take out the specimen, rub the surface of the specimen using a chalk so that the created indentation mark is clearly visible. Switch on the traveling microscope and position it on the specimen to view the indentation. Position of the microscope should be adjusted such that it is placed exactly at the center of the cross wires. Now measure the diameter of the indentation with the help of visible markings on the measuring scale.
The formula used to calculate Brinell hardness number is 2p divided by pi d into d minus under root of d square minus small d square, where p is the load applied, capital D is the indenter diameter in millimeter, small d is the indentation diameter in millimeter. Some initial observations to be made before starting the experiment is the deadweight equivalent of the load pan, which is equivalent to 250 kgs. Similarly, each billet will weigh equivalent to 250 kgs. The machine time constant is 5 seconds and the least count of traveling microscope is 0.1 mm. The tabular column consists of these data. The first column is your specimen, next is the diameter of the indenter, then the diameter of indentation small d, applied load in kgs, then time of testing in seconds. Finally, the last column is the calculated BHN. So let us take the example of aluminium. The diameter of the indenter is 10 mm. Indentation diameter is 3.4 millimeters. The load applied is 500 kgs and the duration of application of this load is 30 seconds. Substituting the above values in this equation, we can calculate the BHN for aluminium as 2 times 500 divided by pi into 10, 10 minus under root, 10 square minus 3.4 square, which gives us an approximate number of 53.4 BHN. Thank you.